Have you ever thought about meditation? You've probably heard that it's beneficial, but how exactly? Today we're diving deep into the world of inner peace. Once you grasp these facts, you'll be eager to give meditation a shot. But first, why should you meditate? Meditation is a great practice to help relax your mind and is even beneficial for your mental health. We all live busy lives. Sometimes we never get a break from working, studying, or even training. As human beings, we don't realize how much our minds are constantly working or even worrying. But meditation is a chance for everyone to calm their busy minds and help towards relieving any stress or anxiety. In 2011, a report showed that those who practiced meditation had a decrease in anxiety and increased psychological well-being. If we look at why scientifically meditation fuels the mind, it's because the stress decreases in two regions of the brain, the amygdala and the default mode network, or DMN. Both these regions are connected to fear and anxiety. So if they're relaxed, then you'll be relaxed too. So if your job or workload is stressing you out, meditating will be able to help calm your nerves and anxiety. Meditation doesn't only help calm the mind, but it can also help slow down your heart rate and blood pressure too. In 2013, a study found that a group of people who meditate 5 minutes a day for 10 days straight had better timings between each heartbeat compared to those who didn't meditate. And having this healthy heart will lead to a healthier life. Being healthy in life doesn't mean you only have to eat healthy for your heart to be in good health, but you should meditate to help calm your heart rate down too. Now you know the benefits. Let's get into some simple steps that you can use to get started. Tip 1. Start off small. As mentioned, spend 5 minutes a day closing your eyes and taking long, deep breaths to relax your mind. A lot of people think if you practice breathing, your breathing needs to change, or you need to change it. But this isn't the case. Breathing naturally 5 minutes a day can help you work towards a quieter mind. Once you start off small and begin to practice over time, you'll learn how to gradually work your way up. Remember, small progress is still progress. So meditators, make sure to take it one step at a time. Tip 2. Do what works for you. Sometimes meditation for some people isn't sitting down and breathing slowly. It can be coloring and being mindful of the present moment. This is known as mindfulness. Mindfulness lets you become aware of your surroundings and your breathing patterns. You can do this by taking a long walk and admiring the flowers, showering with your favorite body wash, or sitting with your best friend and having a laugh. If you don't want to close your eyes and meditate, mindfulness is a great way to calm and control your mind. But sometimes if you're struggling with being present and in the moment, you may need to seek out professional advice. And that's where today's sponsor, BetterHelp, comes in. BetterHelp has a powerful mission to make therapy more accessible and affordable. They're revolutionizing how we find therapists. BetterHelp operates online and can connect you with a professional therapist in just a few days, simply by filling out a short questionnaire. Visit betterhelp.com/improvementpill for 10% off your first month. Finding the right therapist can be like finding the right meditation program. Sometimes you need to switch it up to get the best results. With BetterHelp, you can easily change therapists at no additional cost without stressing about insurance or networks. Most people spend hours in the gym every week, so why not give your mind the same kind of attention? Click the link in the description or visit betterhelp.com/improvementpill to start your mental decluttering journey. Thanks again to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. Tip 3. Leave out all expectations. We sometimes think that if we've meditated for a couple of days or for a whole week, then we'll suddenly have a peaceful mind. But this is not the case. Many monks and preachers have taken years to master the true art of how meditation works. We think meditation can also be about just sitting quietly, and then suddenly your mind will be at peace. However, meditation can bring up some emotions, such as anxiety, irritation, or nervousness. This is normal and nothing to be worried about. Meditating increases your self-awareness, and you will suddenly become aware of your emotions or negative behaviors. So instead of thinking that meditation must be a certain way and you should expect amazing outcomes in the beginning, you must first understand that meditation takes practice, and you should be ready to sit in discomfort to truly achieve a peaceful mindset. Tip 4. Make sure you enjoy the journey. Buddha once said, "Delight in meditation and solitude. Compose yourself. Be happy. You are a seeker." Meditation is a chance for you to become happier mentally and achieve a calmer mind. Throughout your meditating journey, you may experience some ups and downs, but being able to reflect and enjoy the journey will help you to become calmer as a person and help you to work towards mindfulness. Taking 5 minutes out of the day to breathe or practice mindfulness is a big achievement, and you should enjoy your meditating journey along the way. I hope this video was helpful and helped you to understand the importance of meditation. Don't forget, meditation doesn't just happen overnight. It may take weeks or months, but be thankful you have started your meditation journey to achieve mindfulness and a calmer mind. Make sure to check out our other videos on how to meditate for beginners and what are the 7 different types of meditation. Until next time.